We have a 1994 Jeep Grand Cherokee with a check engine light. It's an OBD1, so I have an OBD1 reader, but I can't find where to plug it. So we had to count the blink of the check engine, and it's showing code 41. Okay, and if you guys see, that battery is only at about 10 volt on that dashboard. The owner of this car says this is the second battery he put on here. So we got new terminals, and now we're gonna check the alternator. Okay, so the first tools I'm gonna use to check is this cheap one from Harbor Freight to see what it will tell me. Here, connect that there, and it's showing that the battery is bad. It's because it's been running for the last 2 days. I think it's draining the battery already. So now I'm gonna check our voltage.